What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to practice flying in Battlefield 6. So many people join wrong server and they couldn't seem to find the practice option, or they couldn't find any helicopter or jets inside that server. So this video will guide you how to get to the correct server. First of all, we need to head over to the community section. Under it, select browse servers, and then it will show you all the servers by default. So first of all, we need to select filters from here and don't type anything on the search bar. Leave it as it is. Now we just need to choose our region. So select the region which can give you best ping, so which is Europe in my case. I'll just select that and then hit apply filters. Now look for the server which name contains heli. So as you can see, this is the heli practice server. I can just hover over it, but you can see there is no description written here, so I can't tell you that whether it is a practice server or not. But if I hover over this server, then you can clearly see that practice flying helicopters and jets on Firestorm. So there is clearly mentioned that this is a practice server, so we can give it a try. Now to join this server, hit spacebar on your keyboard, A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and once you join this server, just head over to this position on your map, and then you will be able to see jets and helis on your server, and you can start practicing by yourself. So this is the correct way to start practicing flying in Battlefield 6. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.